We live in a world full of leather, so we've got leather seats, leather jackets, leather handbags, leather wallets. But have you ever seen a leather-wrapped laptop? Well, let me introduce you to the HP Spectre Folio. This is Wrestling with Tech, where I wrestle with tech so that you don't have to. Okay, so let's unbox the first ever HP Spectre Folio. Here it is, here's the box, HP Spectre. I can't wait to open this up. This laptop is gonna be awesome. Here we go, it's inside. Let's take a look. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. This leather feels just so premium, and it's got such a premium weight to it as well. It weighs a little over 5 pounds. Here we go, I'm gonna open it up. Wow, look at that screen. That is gorgeous. And look at that keyboard. This is going to be so much fun. So we've got the computer, of course. This is great. I'm going to put this aside for now. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so we've got our power supply here. Wow, this is beautiful. This is a braided USB-C charging brick. Let's see what else is in here. Looks like the manual. Yep, there it is. Whoa, what is this? Not really sure what this is, but it's leather bound, so we'll figure that out. Put this away. We've got what appears to be a USB-C dongle for a standard USB there. Here's the power cord, and one of my favorites, the stylus. So we're going to make sure that we put this to good use. So here it is. I cannot wait to load this up and start playing with it and then show you exactly what it can do. I'm going to have a full review here on Wrestling with Tech shortly, and make sure you follow me on social media so I can announce when the video is up. You can also subscribe to my channel right here on YouTube, but make sure you follow me on social media to make sure you get the latest and greatest as to what's going on with our technology. It's On The Air Alex on Instagram and Facebook, and Alex HP4QVC on Twitter. I'll see you next time right here on Wrestling with Tech.